we're going to cross multiply. So 13 times 9 is equals 8x. Divide both sides by 8. So 117 divided by 8 is 14.625. It terminates, so we can write it. A lot of students last year would see here that it's 7, 8, 9, so they wanted to do 13, 14, 15. No. First of all, if you notice, these are not 14, 11, 14. Anyway, they're close to it. I'd sit in your desk. Probably not make that choice. But yeah, you can't just say, oh, this one's 7, 8, 9, so this has got to be 13, 14, 15. No. Okay. And then our last two are going to be scales. Oh, first, the scale is 1 inch to 55 miles. Two towns are 7.6 inches apart. How many miles are they apart? So again, you're going to want to set up a proportion. So 1 inch, 55 miles is equal to 7.6 inch, and then this is my unknown miles. If I notice, this is the scale, this is the actual, right? Or this is my scale, okay? This is my unknown. Then inches goes on top, miles goes on bottom. Again, you're going to cross multiply. So this one, we would do 7.6 times 55, so 418. And equals my x. I would make sure that you label it. It's going to be miles. Okay, the next one. We didn't do very much of this in class last time, so make sure you're paying attention. If you have a flagpole and it casts a shadow, and both of them are right angles, in a sense, you can actually set up a proportion just like we did before and solve for a missing side length, right? So flagpole, I would draw a picture. Flagpole casts a 20-foot, so this shadow is 20 feet. And a woman who is 5 feet tall, so let's see. She is 5 feet, casts a 15-foot shadow. 15-foot shadow. How tall is the flagpole? 5 over 15, yes, equals x over 20. Because if you notice, the tall, like up and down, 5, and we're looking for this one, it's unknown. So those are going to both go on top, and then the shadows would both go on bottom. So cross multiply 15x equals 100. So x is equal to okay. So it is. This is hard, but it's a repeating decimal, so do not change it to a. It does not. I know. It is calculating, or it is rounding for you. No, it's a repeating decimal, so I want you to. Yeah, so how many times does 15 go into 100? 6 and 2/3. Okay, we should know 6.66666 is 2/3. Okay, any questions?